Amanda.
And I'm Devin.
And this is your marketing moment.
Backlinks, how many do I need? This is a very common question that we get from our SEO clients. And the simple answer is, it depends on how many backlinks the number 1, 2, and 3 positions have for that particular keyword. So if the number 1 position only has 1 backlink, then you need 1 backlink with a higher domain authority than the current number 1 result. So it's that simple. There's lots of free tools you can use to find that information. This is a little bit more advanced and a lot of you won't be looking at that stuff, but maybe if you're talking to your agency and trying to understand more about how people rank in positions 1, 2, and 3, or even on page 1 for any particular keyword, that's kind of part of the ranking factor is how many backlinks and what's the domain authority of those backlinks.
Brilliant. She's real smart.
That is your marketing moment.